In this ukulele video, we're going to go over another practice tip. This is a series of tips that I'm going to help you become a great ukulele player. This one is the importance of the blues. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on that bell notification. That way you're going to stay up to date on the ukulele tutorials, reviews we do right here, as well as Guitarlele and the Baritone as well. So anyway, I'm excited about this one. Another practice tip. These are just short little nuggets I'm giving you to help you become that great ukulele player that you know of. And this is the importance of the blues. We're just going to do it real simple. But I just want to get through to you on this lesson that the blues is by far the most important style that you need to know as a musician. It's a foundation of so much music, so many different styles, so many great artists. It's a foundation. As a matter of fact, it's so important. We did an entire course over at ukelikethepros.com, the Blues Mastery course, just to really bring home how important this style is. We're going to keep it real simple today. Just going to be in the key of A, so we're going to be using the A7 chord, the D7 chord, and the E7 chord. Now, when I say how important the blues is, it's just really understanding those 12 bars and feeling those 12 bars, feeling those 3 segments of 4 bars each, knowing where we are in the entire progression. It's really, really important. So all you have to do is practice this lesson right here, this 12-bar blues. And then again, if you want more, check out the course we have. But this is so important. It will help your ear. It will help your timing. It's going to help your confidence. It's going to help everything if you can get this down. All right, so we're going to do A7. Sure, why not? We'll do the island strum for it. To the D7 for bar 2. And then back to A7. So that's the first 4 bars. That's why I said there's 3 4-bar segments to make the 12-bar blues. The next set here, measures 5 through 8, is going to be D7 for 2 bars. And then right to the A7. This may seem simple. I know a lot of you, I can play these chords, I can play this drum pattern. But again, it's about internalizing these 12 bars, and so really we're like, I could stop playing at any time during the blues, and you know, oh, you're right there at bar 6, or you're right there at bar 9, whatever. That's the ear training involved, and that only comes through repetition and just listening to the blues and playing the blues. All right, the last 4 bars here, measures 9 through 12, it's going to be the E7 chord, to the D7, to the A7, and the E7. Now, this is just one variation. This is probably the most popular variation of the blues, but there's, of course, different ways you can play the last 4 bars. You don't always have to go to that D7 in bar 2. That's called the quick change. You don't have to do all that stuff, but this is the one that you're going to hear time and time again. All right, we're going to put it all together. Let's go through it one time. No stopping this time from the top. 1, 2, 3, and. Simple, real steady. Of course, if you were playing the blues, you would repeat that over and over again for a blues song, but that's it for now. That's enough for right now, just to get through it. Get real comfortable with that. Matter of fact, get it memorized. Just start with this key of A. You can do other stuff later. Learn the scale, learn different, more like different shuffle feels and different drive and rock stuff. That's all comes later. Get this foundation down. Again, if you dig this stuff, which I hope you do, it's really, really important. Trust me, if you can get this down, it's going to help you in so many different ways of your strumming, all your songs and everything, your ear training, like I said, your confidence. Check out ukelikethepros.com. That's the Ukulele Blues Mastery course. Unbelievable course. You're going to love it. You get a bunch of bonuses with that as well. So anyway, thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the next practice tip.